Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I will be talking about an app store which I use a lot and why I consider it one of the best app stores for FireStick device. So if you own a FireStick or if you have a FireStick, you are going to find this video interesting or helpful, especially if you are looking for sources to install applications to your FireStick that are not on your FireStick app store. So make sure to please watch this video right up to the end, and please watch it carefully because I am going to be showing everything step by step, and make sure not to miss a step, because if you miss a particular step you might not get the full gist of this particular video. And as usual, if you find the video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get into it. So here's my Fire Stick device, and just like any other step, before we take on our Fire Stick, we have to make sure that we are able to install applications to our Fire Stick device from unknown sources. So if you have a new Fire Stick device, please follow this step and set your Fire Stick in such a way that it's going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So to do that, what we have to do is to come over to our settings. So here's my settings here. Now come over to your settings that says my Fire TV. Please follow this attentively. And this step is very important. If you miss this step, any other step I show later on might not work for you. So come over to your option that says my Fire Stick, and then if you see this option that says developer option, if it is turned on, then I'm sure you'll be able to install applications from unknown sources. But if you don't see this option, please do not worry. I'm going to show you how to bring it on or how to make it appear here. But you need it to turn on developer option so that you can be able to install applications from unknown sources. So if you don't have this, what you should do is come back to the option that says about and click on it. Now on the option that says Fire TV Stick, or the option that talks about your Fire TV, click on it 5 times. So click on it 5 times until you see a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. So once you see the option, then developer options have been turned on. And what you have to do is to return back and come over to the developer option and click on it. Now on your developer option, you have to make sure that these 2 options are on. The DB debugging and apps from unknown sources. Make sure that both of them are on, because these are the options that are going to allow you to install applications from unknown sources. So please, I am going to repeat that step if you missed it. Come to about on the Fire Stick device, click it 5 times until you get the option that says developer option is already on, and then come back here and turn it on and off. And do same for this one. So once that is all done, then your Fire TV Stick have been changed to install applications from unknown sources, and then you can return home. So now that we return home, the first step we need to do is install this app store to our Fire Stick device. So to do that, we need the downloader application to install it. So what do we do to install the downloader? What you do, come over to the option that says Find, and in the search box I'm going to type in downloader. Sorry, this is a mistake. So I'm going to type in downloader. Just type in D. You are going to get a suggestion here. So this is downloader that we're looking for. Just click on it once. And here's the application over here. We need the application because that's what we need to install this application to our Fire Stick device. So you see it is say I own it already. Come down here and click on it, and then it's going to download or install to our Fire Stick device. Please, we need the download application to install the app store I am referring to. So just wait for it to download and install to your Fire Stick device. So here's it. It's not going to take a long time. Now it has installed. What you have to do is to go ahead and launch it. So this is a downloader application. Now we need downloader to install many applications to our Fire Stick device by just typing in a code. So over here, we need to type in the code to install this app store. So the code is 21254. Oh, that's a mistake. 21254. 21254. So please type in this code 21254, and then you come over here and click on Go. What is going to happen is that it's going to bring you to a page where you are going to be able to install this app store that I'm referring to. And the app store I'm talking about is called APK Time, which is a simple, easily made app store that looks very simple to use, but it has the most important applications that you might need on your Fire Stick device. So that's why I love about this app store, and I'm going to show you everything. So here's it. It's called APK Time, and it's for Android devices. And if your Fire Stick if you have a Fire Stick device that supports Android devices, then this application is going to work for you. So just go over here and click on download. Once you click on download, the application should start downloading on your Fire Stick device. So here's it, it's downloaded. Just over here and click on install, and then it's going to install to your Fire TV. So you see the application has been installed already. Now what I do, I clear this, delete this from your Fire Stick. You know, Fire Stick doesn't have a lot of space, so please make sure to save space. So once that is done, you can close downloader and return home because the application has been installed. So if you return home, let's go back, everything back. If you return home, you see that the application has been installed, and here's the application over here. So it's called APK time. So what you have to do is launch it. So just come over here and click on it. Now I want to say that even though your Fire Stick has its own app store, there are many applications that you might be looking for that are not on this app store, and that's why you need other app stores like this to install certain applications that you might be interested in or for various purposes on your Fire TV device. So come over here and launch the app store, and it is very simple. It looks very simple to use, and that's what I love about this app store. It is very simple, and it doesn't have tons of unimportant or unnecessary applications. All the applications here is what we as Fire TV users love to use, and there are many categories. As you can see, there are different categories to use. I don't really know how many there are, but there are about 12 different categories on this app store, which are all filled with important applications. So let's take for instance, if I come to a category like tools, no, not this. If I come to a category like tools, let me just go back there. Welcome to category like tools. You're going to see applications here that you can use on your Fire TV as tools. Applications like AdGuard, downloaders, and so on, cleaners, and so on. So these are tools that are going to help you use or maximize the benefits of your Fire TV in one way or the other. The other categories like entertainment, essentials, graveyard. If you're looking for Cody Fox, they are there. There are categories for live applications, for players and browsers, for sport applications. If you're looking for any sport applications, it should be found here. You're looking for movie applications, they should be found somewhere in one of these categories. You're looking for players and browsers, they should be somewhere here. So all of these categories have something for you. So now you might be asking, how do you install an application from here? It is very simple. First thing first, you have to go over to a category that you have. I don't want to open some category because as a YouTube creator, there is not so much I can show on YouTube. But once you go over here, you install the applications, you can take out your time and browse through to see what you can get from here. So if you actually have to install an application from this category, from this app store, it is very simple. First, you go to the category you want to install the application from. Let's say from once you install the application from here first, I go over to here and I just click on the download option, and then I allow it, and then it's going to start downloading. Once it's done downloading, an install button or install option is going to pop up, and I'm going to install the application to my Fire Stick device. And that's how to use this app store and install apps to your Fire TV device without any problem. So do follow all the steps in this and get this app store, and let me know if you find it good or helpful for your Fire TV device.